My name's Chris Dominy, and Monsta Pizza is my little travelling pizzeria business. It's a street food business, but unlike a lot of them that are out there, we really are aimed at families and young people, trying to bring a little bit more creativity and imagination to the eating experience. We designed our logo and I went to register it, as you do. Very soon after that, within a week or so, I had a notice of opposition via the trademark office saying that a company called Monster Energy in America had an issue with the trademark we were trying to register.
Chris Dominy came to see us about 18 months ago or so. He'd filed a trademark application himself, and he'd had a letter come from the Trademarks Registry with a notice of opposition by Monster Energy Corporation. He sat down with us, showed us the papers, and wanted to know where he could go from there.
When I first spoke with Michael, I immediately felt put at ease, and when I met him, it was kind of like going to see a friendly GP when you're a bit worried about something, and he makes you feel like it's okay. We can sort this out. I felt quite relaxed. Quite quickly, felt happy to let him do what he needed to do.
You don't get many genuinely David and Goliath cases, but this kind of is one of them. Monster Energy Corporation were very well funded, and they were represented by some genuinely good central London solicitors who are well respected in the profession and really know what they're doing. On the other hand, Monsta Pizza is a new startup. It's just two guys who have set up, who have invested their own money into the business. The two sets of goods that are sold by the two parties are different. They are not really that complementary, although Monster Energy argued differently, unsuccessfully. And the style of the consumer that they're both aiming for is very different.
The fact that we managed to win the case and see them off makes the whole business all the more worthwhile.
This adds significant value to their business because it means that their branding is defined and assured. We know that they own the branding, we know that it is usable in the long term.
I would definitely say if you're thinking of doing something like this or starting a new business, then do speak to an intellectual property expert like Michael.
We're absolutely delighted that they've won. Partly it's a vindication that my very first opinion of the case, the moment I looked at it, has been confirmed now twice. And partly because it's just a really nice business that we're glad to have helped.
It is sad that this sort of stuff happens, but the point is it does happen. Not that I didn't appreciate it before, but now I really do appreciate the fact that we own our brand.